How to print in Android using Wi-Fi Direct. Turn on your printer or press the Cancel button to wake it from sleep mode. On your Android device, install or update the HP Print Service plugin from the Google Play Store. In Android 7 and above, the service turns on automatically. In Android 6 and below, open the notification dashboard and follow any prompts to enable the service. On your printer, touch the Wi-Fi Direct button if available. Enable the feature and then set the connection to automatic or manual if you want to include a PIN. For printers without a graphic display, press the Wi-Fi Direct button or the Wi-Fi Direct and Info buttons at the same time to print Wi-Fi Direct setup instructions. Open the document or photo you want to print. Tap the print icon or tap More Options and then tap Print. Depending on the app, you might have to tap the Share icon and then tap HP Print Service plugin. Expand the printer menu and then tap the printer that has Direct and your printer model in the name. If your printer is not listed, tap All Printers to view a larger selection or move your Android device closer to the printer and try again. If prompted by the HP Print Service plugin, select the checkbox to agree to the terms and then tap Start. If your printer is set up for a manual Wi-Fi Direct connection, you might need to confirm the connection on the printer. Within 60 seconds, go to the printer and touch OK, or press the blinking Wi-Fi Direct or Info button. Adjust any print settings and then tap Print or the print icon to print your document or photo using Wi-Fi Direct.